I guess we out here Suwu banging the whole video. Boop. That's a little better. What's up, my fellow E34 enthusiasts? You guys know how I made red tails before? I'm gonna sell this bad boy, so when I see it around the streets, I want to see that butt be red. So, yeah, let's get to it. Okay, just look at this. Look at this orange. Go away. Is it almost gone? I didn't really like them. They were just like dark red and they weren't that glossy. So I experimented and boom. This is a wrapped with some red tint. And honestly, I can't really do no wrap. It's got air bubbles and all that. But as you can see, it's that color, right? So the whole dilemma of this video is basically which one should you do? Red tails, wrap them or paint them? This is the wrap. As you can see, the color combo, it is what it is. They're not dark like the last one. Or you got this bad boy. And honestly, fellas, take it easy on the comments because I've been working hard on this. Whoosh. It's like cherry red. This one is painted, sanded, clear coated, buff, the whole nine. I still have some like imperfections in there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. You see that little like... So if you guys know how to get rid of that, comment below. But for the most part, I just want to share with you guys because there's three options. There's painted tail lights and they're just like flat red. I didn't really like that. And you also got to paint the inner because they look different. There's wrap tail lights, which is this bad boy. They come out right. You know, I like them. I fuck with it. This bad boy is what I really like. And I don't know if you guys see in the background. I'm going for a little blood look, so that amber is going to disappear. Yeah, so in this video, I'll just basically show you how I did this, how it got up to this. I recommend if you guys do want to do red tails, like you can spray it red. It might be a little matte though. R.I.P. bruh. That's sick. While I'm waiting for that to dry, did I show you guys my toolbox? Check this out. I bought a Harbor Freight toolbox. Goddamn kids here. So this is my toolbox. We're just waiting for that bad boy to dry and then we're just gonna keep on with this. Dudes, I'm chilling in the car, right? I'm chilling in the car. These kids are everywhere. Look what they did. Just gonna knock down. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna clear coat it. Alright, on the other hand, I have been sanding this with wet sand, 3000 grit, and now I'm gonna buff it. Check it out. Looks good on camera, looks great, but you can still see imperfections. Due to the sake of time and since it's getting dark, go ahead and end the video there. I just want to show you guys that you can actually make the paint shine. I didn't know, and I would have been did that on my old video. I love red tails. Comment below if you guys know any tricks for me to learn because I'm still getting used to this sanding life. Comment below if you guys are gonna do this too, and if you do this, send it to me on Instagram or tag me on Instagram because I want to see some red tail lights. Yeah, another short video. We out. We coming back soon. Peace out.